in a triangle PQR, medians PS and QT are perpendicular to each other. So let's just draw the figure. In a triangle PQR, two medians are there and which are perpendicular to each other. So I am drawing two medians first. This and these two are perpendicular. Now drawing the triangle around it. This is triangle PQR. So this is P and sorry, this is not P. Let's just call it P, and this is Q, and this is point R. And median PS. This is median PS, and this is median QT. These are medians. So if these are median, then S is the midpoint of this line RQ. So this length would be equal to this length, and T is the midpoint of this side. So this length is equal to this length. Now if the lengths of PS and QT are 18 and 24 respectively, PS is given as 18 units and QT is given as 24 units respectively. Find the length of third median RU. I have to find the length of third median. I know the point of intersection of medians is known as centroid. So I know the RU, that the median RU will pass through this point only. Median RU would pass through this point. This is centroid. So this is point U. So this RU would be the third median and it will pass through this point. I am calling it G, the centroid of this triangle. Now, these two medians are giving me as perpendicular. PS is perpendicular to QT. Now, also one property of centroid is that centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1, and the length of median is given. This median PS is 18 units long. Now this centroid will divide this median in the ratio 2:1. So 18 divided into ratio 2:1 would be 12 and 6. So this length would be 12 unit, this length would be 6 units. Also the other median QT, this point G, centroid will divide this QT in the ratio 2:1. So 24 when divided in this ratio 2:1 would be 16 and 8. So this length would be 16 and this length would be 8. Now I can find the length of this side. Why? This is 90 degree. So triangle PGQ is a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, I can find the value of PQ. Also, this is 12, so I can write it as 3 into 4. This is 16, so I can write it as 4 into 4. This is nothing but the 3, 4, 5 triplet. So I can say PQ would be equal to 5 into 4, which is 20 units long. And U is the midpoint, so PU would be 10 and UQ would be 10. Now one important thing, the smart approach to solve this question, when I know the length of this side PQ, try making a circle with U at its center. If I draw a circle with U as center, this circle will pass through this point G. Why? This circle will pass through point G. Why? Because this triangle PGQ is in the semicircle, and triangle in semicircle, triangle formed in the semicircle is right angle triangle. So I can say if this is the center, this is radius, this is also radius, and UG is also radius, and radius is 10 units. So I can say the length of this UG would be equal to 10 units, and G is centroid, it divides median in the ratio 2:1. So one part is corresponding to 10. So 2 part means how much? 20 units. So this part is 10, this part would be 20 units long. So the length of median RU would be equal to 20 plus 10, that is 30 units. So correct answer to this question would be 30 units.